Yeah, okay, so I'm late in this video. It took some time, no. We finally got the thing to a point where we can get to a point of getting this break off so we can change it. You know what I'm saying? Got the homie right here helping out. I'm sure some of you looking at gonna see this video and recognize the car. Or maybe you just recognize the taillights. Who knows? Here's what we switching out to though right here. Cross drilled and slide from R1 Concept. Front and rear. Right now we tackling the front. And as you can see, those pads are terrible. Beyond terrible. Worse than terrible. As you can see, we got the main person right here, knowing what he do best. He's better than I. Now we should potentially be at the point where we're taking the rotor itself off. He's going into his trusty dusty tool bag. Forgive the fact that I'm not being more in depth, but I'm out of my element here. So when I'm out of my element, I get help. You feel me? And yes, I got the idea to pick up a camera and film this, thinking about how Keon, Mr. Rockoff Johnson, does his videos. Yes, that's where I got the idea from. Him, Vix Rex, Looney Low. Anybody else from Maryland with a YouTube channel? Yes, I got the idea to film changing my brakes from you guys. Alright, I'm going to pick this back up one more again when we get to a better point. Alright, we're back. Yes, we're still on the same rotor we were dealing with. We had some technical difficulties, but you know, between him and me, we figured it out. I mean, we are sitting in front of a salvage yard, so where I work at. So of course we found the tools necessary to pull off the job. And we are looking at some new pads. He's checking to see which one's the right, which one's the left side. Bear with me, this is being filmed on a Galaxy S9. I'm saving my GoPro battery for something else. What's that? Explain to the people.
It's called anti-seize, so your
Yes.
brakes don't stick.
This is anti-seize, so the brakes don't stick. You know what I'm saying? Granted, I knew what it was. I just wanted him to explain it to the camera.
And no, your damn brakes ain't come with new hardware. So, we're just gonna have to improvise.
Huh?
Your stuff did come with all new hardware.
So what's that mean?
You have to clean up the old stuff.
But we still good though, right? See, we still good. We still good. When in doubt, you just get somebody that know what they're doing. All those years at NTB paid off.
Yeah. Give me that red thing. I'll play getting up.
All right.
Oh, is that your mother?
Alrighty, now I'm walking over here handing him this red thing. And that's how he doing auto. Now normally I'd make a joke and say most of it, but he did all of it. So, what are these tools for the people that don't know?
Push the caliper back.
So, what do these do for the people that don't know?
Pushes the caliper back so you can put the new pads in. Put it around the new rotor. Though my tools aren't exactly in the best condition, but you know, do what you gotta do.
Hey. We budget. We ball on a budget here. I mean, come on now. We ball on a budget. It's not like we doing this on a, a Vet or a Ferrari. It's a Dodge Dart.
Somebody didn't bother to bring the bug spray. All these daggone mosquitoes.
See, I wear jeans around here, so I forget the bugs sometimes.
That still don't protect your neck and your arms. Alright, this virus is on the mounts back.
Remember, no cussing. I haven't figured out how to bleep out yet. Hmm?
That's another, isn't it? No?
Well, we got one of the fronts. Now we're gonna come over here to the left side because we only gonna be able to get the front today because we losing daylight. And for all you Dodge people out there, there's a bolt in the back that was a pain in the neck to get a hold of and deal with.
It's not a regular nut. It's called Dodge being Dodge.
All right, now we're gonna get back to you when we start on the other side. All right. Now we've come a long way since since the fronts. This is now day number 2. Brake job.
So that we had to replace your.
Yes, we did have to replace the entire hub on the right side. It had an issue. I'm going to tell you, if anybody's ever working on your car and doing with the tires, if they don't hand tighten the lugs first and they go straight to an air gun or an impact, tell them to stop and find somebody else because they will strip the bolts or they will strip the lugs. The fronts are completely done.
Strip the hub.
Cross drilled and slotted in the front. On the left, cross drilled and slotted on the right. They will strip the hub if they don't hand tighten them first. Surprisingly enough, the back pads are good, so we're gonna keep the same back pads and save the R1s for a later date. But that's what the back looks like. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I do have dual tips out the back. You know what I'm saying? Oh look, say hi to Mario.
Alright.
The sticker. You know what I'm saying? Haterade. You got United. Got this beautiful sticker right here, or decal on the front. Need any of this work done? At Rat Beast on IG. That's at Rat Beast on IG. Located in Fort Washington. They'll get you done right. See that charger right there with the tinted windows? He went to Rat Beast. See that TC right there with the red fender? He went to Rat Beast. See the pattern? Oh yeah, go holler at the boys. We're gonna pick this bag up when we get a little bit further along, but stay tuned. Alright, boys and girls. The left side rotor is in the back. Drilled and slotted, R1 concept. Oh yeah, baby. We got the man over here doing his thing now. We almost close for that all inclusive that good old test drive. You know what I'm saying? We are currently installing the right rear wheel. The right rear brakes are done. Now you want to hand tighten them. Because if you do not hand tighten them first and go straight to an impact gun or an air gun, you will strip the hub. I repeat, you will strip the hub. That's the problem we had with these right here. I had to get a brand new hub. Now I could tell you what it cost me to get all that done this morning, but trust me, I would rather have had that money put somewhere else. So you want to tighten them all the way around. Not to mention when you go to tighten them, you want to make sure you do it in a star pattern. Don't just go, oh, I'm going to do all the way around. No, you want to do it in a star pattern. It makes a difference. All right, I'm going to put this down and see what I can do to help out to speed this process up. And then I'll pick this back up when we have a finished product. All right, we lowering it down. We're done. Drilled and slotted rotors all the way around. All the way around, drilled and slotted rotors. We're glorious. We are glorious. Drilled and slotted rotors all the way around the front. You know what I'm saying? Drilled and slotted all the way around the front. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you. Do me a favor. I'm gonna close this real quick. Go start the car. All you doing is starting it. Don't rev it. We want to thank the mechanic. All right, give it one tap. Just one. All right, one more. You know what I'm saying? That's what she sound like. All right.